Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how we use the mobile app to apply to the smart mockup. So first of all, we log into our Canva in the mobile app. We can see the bottom part have home, project, Canva Pro, and then the menu. So we click for the menu. Then we can see here they have a brain, and then this one is called smart mockup. So click in. So we can see here they have a mention about technology, print, and packaging. So I choose this one, packaging for the beverage. So I just scroll down because this tool is a crowd user, Canva Pro user for entitled. So I just choose one of these without any crowd for this mockup. Just waiting for a few seconds to reach this page, because this is an online tool, so sometimes we'll need a time to running. So once we come in here, we can click the select, okay, select the design. So here they have a two selection. One is an upload. So you can upload your photo in your handphone or your computer if you link with your laptops, or we can choose the design in the Canva. So once I select the previews my design like this, I just click select. So he will bring to match with this mockup. So this is the how to use the smart mockup in your mobile phone. Once if you're not happy about this outcome, you can adjust image and then select the custom, or you can select the scratch as well. Once you're happy about this outcome, then you can click save, and then we can come and see this one. This is the smart mockup for your mobile phone. Once you're happy, you just save the mockup to your handphone, to your mobile phone. This is today my sharing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you next video soon. Bye bye.